Hello everyone, this is Global Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. I also want to remind you that some of my video courses are already available. Buy them if you haven't done it yet. I would really appreciate your support. Today we'd like to give you a review of this sleeveless dress made of Spanish fabric. It's decorated with a very unusual print. Do you recognize the dog here? You can see its paws and the tail. It's very bright. There is an exposed zipper in the center back. The dress is lined. We made it loose on purpose. We love the dress. Have a look at the dart. It's bias and it's very long. It looks very beautiful. There are also two inseam pockets here. I'm going to show you the dress in detail. You'll see how the zipper was stitched. It goes almost to the bottom. This is a very interesting technique. I'll also show you the pockets in detail. The dress is made of coupon. There is a dog on the front and on the back. One coupon was not enough for making the sleeves. The dress is very comfortable. Oля can combine it with a roll neck sweater or a t-shirt. Or she can wear it as a sundress in summer. The print is very colorful and bright. When we saw it, we realized that we had to make a dress of this fabric. It's very unusual. I can't wait to show you the dress in detail. We can let Oля go now. Have a close look at the dress. Oля has taken it off. The shoulders are pretty tight. They're about 4 centimeters wide. It makes the dress very elegant. Wide shoulders don't look that well. I love the print. It's very bright. Pay attention to the texture. The fabric reminds me Mikado. Have a close look at it. It keeps its shape very well. Such fabrics are in trend now. Let me show you the wrong side of the dress. Have a look at the zipper. It's very bright and beautiful. It goes right to the bottom. It was stitched on top of the main fabric. The edges of the dress and the lining are hidden inside. The lining copies the main fabric. Have a close look at it. All the darts, tucks, and seams in the dress and the lining should match. Otherwise, a garment wouldn't fit you well. I prefer to make high-quality garments. The pocket with another lip piece is sewn in between the dress and the lining. Be very attentive. The lining should cover the edge of the overcast. This seam shouldn't be seen. Have a close look at it. Notice that the darts in the lining are the same as in the main fabric. Let's have a close look at the fabric. It's very unusual. I hope you like it. I love such bright prints. They are very interesting. There is a dog here And one more door here. This is how the coupon looks like. Unfortunately, this coupon is not enough for making a dress with the sleeves. I was glad to show you this fabric and Ola's new dress. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. We're Irina, Paukshte and Ola. Buy my courses, subscribe to my channel, write comments, share the videos, press a like and the bell buttons. We would really appreciate your support. Thank you. Goodbye.